Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Note Said 24 channel. Today, we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for at a police station. We will practice at a police station actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome. And let's start and enjoy learning English.
I am at the police station. I am at the police station. I need to talk to an officer. I need to talk to an officer. The officer asks my name. The officer asks my name. I show my ID card. I show my ID card. Please tell me what happened. Please tell me what happened. I lost my phone yesterday. I lost my phone yesterday. It happened near the market. It happened near the market. The officer writes my report. The officer writes my report. I answer his questions. I answer his questions. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I do not understand that. I do not understand that. Can you repeat the question? Can you repeat the question? The officer takes notes. The officer takes notes. I wait on the chair. I wait on the chair. Many people are here today. Many people are here today. The police station is busy. The police station is busy. I feel a little nervous. I feel a little nervous. The officer is very calm. The officer is very calm. He asks about the time. He asks about the time. I tell him the time. I tell him the time. The officer asks for details. The officer asks for details. I explain the situation. I explain the situation. Please write my complaint. Please write my complaint. I sign the report. I sign the report. The officer checks the report. The officer checks the report. He asks one more question. He asks one more question. I try to remember clearly. I try to remember clearly. Someone took my bag. Someone took my bag. My bag is black. My bag is black. It has my wallet. It has my wallet. It also has my keys. It also has my keys. The officer listens carefully. The officer listens carefully. Please stay calm. Please stay calm. We will help you. We will help you. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. The officer smiles kindly. The officer smiles kindly. I feel a bit better. I feel a bit better. The officer gives advice. The officer gives advice. Please keep this paper. Please keep this paper. This is your report copy. This is your report copy. We will contact you soon. We will contact you soon. Please check your phone. Please check your phone. I understand the process. I understand the process. Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. I will wait for news. I will wait for news. The police are helpful. The police are helpful. I leave the station now. I leave the station now. I walk out slowly. I walk out slowly. I hope they find it. I hope they find it. I feel hopeful now. I feel hopeful now. Today is a long day. Today is a long day. I go home after this. I go home after this. I keep the report safe. I keep the report safe. I remember the officer's words. I remember the officer's words. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay.
Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.